How to change and set the first day of week in iPhone 16e. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and then click on general. After clicking on general, then scroll down in last, and here you can see the option language and region. Now click on it and then click on first day of week. Now click on first day of week, and here you can set or change the first day of week like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. Now here you can change the first day of week. So this is the way to change and set the first day of week in iPhone 16e. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.